Hi everyone, my name is Soumya, and in this video I'll be providing you complete roadmap of becoming a data analyst in 2022. Also, I will be sharing all the free resources that are available widely on internet and you can make use of that. All the links will be provided in the description box below. And if you genuinely follow everything that is mentioned in this video, you will be able to become a data analyst in less than 3 months. So let's understand what data analysis actually means. Data analysis is the process of examining data set in order to find trends and draw conclusion from the information which that data contain. Basically, you are given a raw data. From that, you have to visualize certain thing that is useful for a certain business and with the help of certain tools. Let me tell you, there are a lot of jobs that are there for data analysis, and companies are completely looking forward to hire someone who has this right skill for data analysis. And I'm about to share the actual topics that you need to learn on data analysis. First things first, the first thing that you need to learn here is Excel. Now, when it comes to data analyst or data scientist industry, you need to be well versed in Excel, and that too the advanced Excel. The functionalities such as pivot tables, VBA, macros, and conditional formatting, you need to know. So the second thing that you need to learn to become a data analyst is SQL or structured query language. Well, SQL is paramount when it comes to data analysis. To work directly with the data, you need SQL. Next thing on the list is Python. Well, Python has a lot of libraries that you'll be using for data analysis or data science work. And a lot of data analysis or statistical analysis and the visualization part is done with the help of this language. If you go on and search on LinkedIn, you will find that most of the jobs that are related to data analysis, they ask for Python. Companies ask for someone who is proficient in Python language. Also, it is very good if you go on the side of AI and deep learning. So you can learn Python totally from Code with Harry playlist. It is a very good course that he has created, I must say. So I'll provide the link on the description box as well. Next thing on the list is Python libraries, and these three Python libraries that are prominent for learning are Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. So basically, it will help you visualize the data even more. And with that being said, you will be doing the statistical analysis of the data with the help of these Python libraries. So let's come to the fifth point. So now you have to master the mathematics as well. Not all the topics of maths, but especially linear algebra and statistics you need to learn. Next thing is Tableau and Power BI. So you've heard me saying visualize a lot of times in this video. So basically both of these tools are visualization tools, and with the help of these tools you can draw certain conclusion. Like you can, for example, if a raw data is given to you, you can what you can do with the data is you can make it in the chart form or in the bar graph form. So that form will provide you better insights with that. And with that being said, we have the last thing that you need to learn is machine learning, and I'll say you can touch the topic of time complexity, and you don't need to dig deep into it. You just have to learn a bit about that, and then once you learn all these topics, you can try practicing it on Kaggle, and you can try hands-on practice on Kaggle with creating your own project on that. Now, next thing will be the creating a resume that attracts the recruiter. So basically, you have to mention all those things that you've learned to become data analyst, and that I've already mentioned in this video. So you have to be really specific that you know this thing, and the recruiter should know that you've learned it. And then, so once you're done with your resume, you have to spend certain amount of time in the job hunt on LinkedIn as well as on Naukri.com. You can do is try applying 20 to 30 jobs every single day for data analyst post. So search data analyst on LinkedIn, and then what you can do is apply a filter on the experience tab, mentioning that you are basically entry level. So you'll see that you'll find out the jobs that are recruiting freshers for data analysis, and you'll also see that these jobs basically starts from 6 LPA, so which is quite good. So with that being said, let me know if you find this video helpful, or you can share your thought on data analytics career in the comment box below. Thank you, bye bye, take care.